Facet Wealth Honest Review. Watch before you then. Facet Wealth offer personalized financial planning with access to certified financial planner, which is CFPS, through a flat fee model. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a dedicated CFP for personalized advice, with also a flat fee pricing from $2,400 to $8,000 per year, and also a low fee of $500 investment minimum, and a fiduciary duty which is act in your best interest. And here are the pros and cons about this platform, which is a comprehensive financial planning, no asset-based fee with professional satisfied advisor. And here's a downside, which is the con about this platform: high cost for smaller portfolios, and also no direct investment management. And here's one verdict about this platform: great for those wanting personalized holistic financial planning, but expensive if you have a small portfolio.